like a Hellcat.
Good morning, students. As we discussed in the last lecture that language is a mode of communication that varies us from that of the animal world. So in this lecture we are going to throw light on the bits of language, what makes it complete in itself. So as we know that every language has few words, few letters, few alphabets. Further, if we categorize the letters, the alphabets of a language, that is categorized in two types, vowels and consonants. So, as far as English language is concerned, it has vowels, but there are variety of vowels over there, monophthongs and diphthongs. There are two sorts of vowels. And for your amazement, let me tell you one thing, that monophthongs have a very key role to play in the formation of a language. Why did I use the word formation? Generally, the teacher says sentence structures. Structure is of a concrete object like that of a building, like that of any castle. If something is associated with our software, that is formation. So in sentence formation, your monophthongs have a key role to play. Everybody is familiar with this term. Name of the term may be new for you, but you are familiar with types of monophthongs. As everybody knows, mono is a scientific term that means single. And monophthongs are a, e, o, u. In other words, in your words I must say a, e, I, o, u. These are the monophthongs because these vowels carry single sound. If I cite you an example, hot, spot, dot, these three words are having a single sound, that is o. So this is known as monophthongs. In every language, be it a language or be it a dialect. Dialect here means boli. Language has a versatile sphere of its own. If I talk about English, it has a vast gyre throughout the universe. That's why it is stated as international connecting language also. But as far as dialect is concerned, like that of Haryanvi, like that of you can say Awadhi, like that of your Braj, these are not the languages, these are the dialects. Boli, जिसका जो एक स्फीयर है, the language that has a very limited sphere, these are known as the dialects. उनको हम बोली बोलते हैं. So, in general, we just come to know that there are 5 vowels in English. But when you are going to learn with us, at that time I'll let you know these are not just 5 vowels. They have various brothers and sisters, various cousins. They have more than 15 vowels are there that we are going to discuss in the coming lecture, and the next lecture will be over the discussion diphthongs. Diphthongs will let you know the elder brother of monophthongs, that will the mixed sound of all these 5 vowels. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Stay safe. Stay